Ladies and gentlemen, Emily will sing Jingle Bells. And action.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock.
Whoa, that was some beanie smell. How do you feel?
Good.
Are you embarrassed?
No, I gotta do it more.
Okay, go ahead.
That's good.
Wow, and that's the end of our show. Da, 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 da. Apparently, she hasn't finished showing us what all she's got. So, let's watch. Go right ahead. Woo! Okay, so me and my sister would like to wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.